How to use the compressor in Logic Pro X on vocals or keys. So first, this is my voice without the compressor. And this is my voice with the compressor. Huge difference. What we want to do is right above the EQ, you'll see this little bar. You want to click on it, or alternatively, go to your drop-down and go to compressor. Now in the threshold, we bring this back to 30, and in the ratio, we bring this up to 3, and in the makeup, we bring this up to 5. Now I say we, but I mean I, and you'll see the needle starting to jump. These are my ideal settings for this mic, to preamp, to sound card, to machine, to DAW, chain. Your chain might require different settings, and your knee and your tack and release are very subtle changes you probably won't need to worry about. And the day that it comes when you do need to worry about these, you can go watch another tutorial that goes a little bit more in depth. But those are the three most important: is you bring back your threshold, you bring up your ratio, and you bring up your makeup. Okay, and that is the basics of how to use the compressor in Logic Pro X on vocals or on keys.